back to another video. Today I'm Kawaii 2 and today I'm gonna open this for my sleeping trap, and I hope you guys also subscribe to my sister's channel, so quickly subscribe to it now. So let's start opening. It's really hard to open this bag. It looks like I got something. Is this an Elsa doll? What is this?
Looks like candy.
What's in the blind bag? It's for coffee, wow. I got this Elsa doll and candy, just in case. Bye guys, and hurry up to subscribe to my sister's channel. Bye! Next stop, Gardens by the Bay. Check out this jump! This slide is really slow. Oh no, we're trapped in this bird nest. This park at Gardens by the Bay is quite fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and don't forget to subscribe. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch my other videos. Bye!